Now please join me in welcoming this afternoon's honoree from the Republic of Indonesia, His Excellency Minister Muhammad Lutfi, for his remarks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your Excellency, my brother, Minister of Economics, Mr. Najib Ali from the Commissioner General of Dubai Expo. I came here today with two of my colleague Minister of Industry, Agus Gumiwang, also Minister of Maritime Affairs and Fishery, Sakti Wahyu Trenggono, along with my senior staff from Indonesian government, Captain of Industries. I see here the Indonesian Jeff Bezos, Indonesian Elon Musk, and many billions of dollars that to create prosperity for the future for the both of us. Along with that, Your Excellency, I have a good contingent of Indonesian diaspora here in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and UAE. Thank you. Terima kasih. Your Excellency, we are honored to be part of this historic event. Expo 2020 Dubai and all its successes represent courage, hope, and optimism for all humanity. Your Excellencies, honorable guests, we have witnessed how the COVID-19 pandemic impacted all nations and all people, all disrupted the way we live and work, and reshaped policies in all sectors. I want to believe that we have seen the worst of it. Now, it is time for us to recover together and recover stronger. And to do that, we need a vision, a new collective imaginations. Expo Dubai 2020 could not have come merely timely. What we are seeing today before us is a demonstration of our ability to create things that we have never seen before, to inspire, to excite, and most importantly, to create a better future. A future that we respect and delight in all cultures. A future in which we work together and protect the sustainability of our planet. A future where no one is left behind. For that, I want to really congratulate the United Arab Emirates and all of those who have worked tirelessly to create this place. A moment in time where the world can come together and celebrate the future, our future. On behalf of Indonesia, we are pleased to be but a humble part of this moment, to share the global community, our history, our culture, our aspirations, and of course, let's not forget our delicious food as well. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, in our theme, Creating the Future from Indonesia to the World, Indonesia focuses on two things. How do we create the future, and how can Indonesia contribute to the world? Let's start with the future. Our pavilion demonstrates an unbreakable link to our past in creating our future. A future that will always be informed by the relationships to our land, our diverse cultures, our precious ecology, and our continuously evolving traditions. Our future will be powered by our growing populations and new emerging talents. Our future will be secured by our promise to protect our planet and our children. Today, we are building a bedrock for a prosperous future as we invite the world to trade, invest, and visit our beautiful homeland of Indonesia. And what about our contribution to the world? How can we be a better team player in a world that will be facing enormous challenges ahead? Next year, Indonesia will assume the presidency of G20. The honor comes with enormous responsibility. We commit to take a lead in creating more just economy and more sustainable future. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today to celebrate a very national day in Expo 2020 for Indonesia. As the UAE Expo has graced us with utmost warmth and hospitality, tonight we would like to also share with you and the world our bespoke cultural performance, Land of Diversity, in the incredible Al Wasl Plaza and Dome, a small gesture, a token of appreciations as we look forward to continuing our friendship and embracing of our future together. I would like also to thank you, the UAE Ambassador in Jakarta, for all the efforts and creating today a possible future for the both country, Indonesia and UAE. I thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Your Excellency, and thanks all for the beautiful vibe. With this, Your Excellencies, esteemed dignitaries and invited guests, we conclude our official National Day ceremony of the Republic of Indonesia. Please join me once again in thanking everyone who has joined us here this afternoon, and welcome to Expo 2020 Dubai.